Vivo X200 Pro review. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be diving deep into Vivo's latest flagship model, the Vivo X200 Pro. In this video, we'll explore its design, display, performance, camera, battery life, and connectivity features. But before we jump in, just a quick reminder. Preparing this video takes hours, but subscribing to the channel and liking the video only takes a few seconds of your time. Remember, you're my biggest motivation. If you subscribe and like the video, it would make me really happy. And if you don't want to miss the latest reviews and impressive features from the tech world, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's get a closer look at what the Vivo X200 Pro has to offer. Design and durability. Let's start with the design of the Vivo X200 Pro. The device measures 162.4 by 76.0 by 8.5 millimeters and weighs 223 grams, giving it a stylish and sturdy feel in hand. With a glass front, aluminum alloy frame, and a glass back, it exudes quality. Thanks to its IP68/IP69 certification, it's fully resistant to dust and can handle water depths of up to 1.5 meters. This feature is ideal for those who need durability in tough conditions. Display features. Moving on to the eye-catching display. The Vivo X200 Pro is equipped with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display that supports 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. Its standout feature is the impressive 4,500 nits brightness level, ensuring clear visibility even in bright sunlight. With a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, a 20:9 aspect ratio, and 452 pixels per inch pixel density, this display provides a smooth and high-quality visual experience. Just a quick reminder, my friend, I prepared this video just for you, so I'd be happy if you subscribe. Performance and processing power. At its core, the Vivo X200 Pro runs on MediaTek's latest and most powerful chipset, the Dimensity 9400, built on a 3-nanometer architecture. It features a 3.63 GHz Cortex-X925 core, 3.3 GHz Cortex-X4 cores, and 2.4 GHz Cortex-A720 cores, delivering exceptional performance. On the graphics side, the Immortalis G925 GPU offers top-tier gaming and graphics experiences, making the device incredibly smooth for both everyday tasks and gaming. Just a quick reminder, I find my energy in you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Storage and RAM options. The Vivo X200 Pro provides generous options for storage and RAM. 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB with 16 GB RAM, and even 1 TB with 16 GB RAM. Thanks to UFS 4.0 storage technology, app loading times and data transfer speeds are extremely fast, positively impacting the user experience, especially with data-intensive apps and games. Don't forget, you're the most important source of motivation keeping this channel going. Please subscribe. Camera features. The Vivo X200 Pro truly impresses in the camera department. It features a triple camera system on the back. The main camera has a 50-megapixel resolution with an f1.6 aperture, and its 1x1.2 8-inch sensor captures high-quality images even in low light. The second camera is a 200-megapixel telephoto lens with an f2.7 aperture and 3.7x optical zoom, making it easy to capture details from afar. The third camera is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture, enabling high-quality shots from both front and rear cameras. Just a note, the main reason I'm here is you. Feel free to support by subscribing. Video recording capabilities. The Vivo X200 Pro's video capabilities are also impressive. The rear camera supports 8K resolution at 30 frames per second and 4K at 30, 60, and 120 frames per second. For 1080p, it offers 30 and 60 FPS options. With Dolby Vision HDR support and Gyro EIS, You get stable and cinematic footage. The front camera records in 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, and in 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. Just a reminder. Watching you is my biggest motivation. Please subscribe. Battery and charging technology. The device is powered by a huge 6,000 milliamp hour battery, ensuring extended use. With 90-watt fast charging, it charges up quickly and also supports 30-watt wireless charging, ideal for those who prefer to go cable-free. Additionally, it offers reverse wired charging, so you can even charge other devices. Your support means a lot to me. You're my source of motivation. Don't forget to subscribe. Connectivity options and other features. The Vivo X200 Pro supports 5G for ultra-fast internet. It comes with dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD and LHDC5 for high-quality wireless audio, NFC, and infrared. It also features an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and stereo speakers, enhancing the user experience. Plus, optional satellite connectivity sets it apart from other smartphones. Let me remind you, this content was made with you in mind, and subscribing would really make my day. Conclusion and final thoughts. Overall, the Vivo X200 Pro stands out as an impressive smartphone with powerful performance, exceptional camera capabilities, and a long-lasting battery, catering to a variety of needs. For more insights on the Vivo X200 Pro or other in-depth reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I made this video just for you, so please like it and leave a nice comment. See you in the next video.